was started by my father, late Mr. Vmscl, as Goa had no law college at that time. And his thing was, we should bring a lot of things into Goa so that the Goans can benefit and it can be a center of excellence all over India. The role our law college has played in the last 50 years in shaping the minds of future legal luminaries cannot be overstated, and it is a responsibility that we hold nearest to our hearts with utter reverence.
There are at least 3 reasons why I consider this as an extremely momentous occasion. First, this institution has completed 50 glorious years. Today we mark the beginning of the series of year-long celebrations planned to commemorate this important milestone. Second, as my alma mater, I associate this institution with lots of invaluable memories and I do get nostalgic. Therefore, naturally, it is a wonderful experience to return to college. Returning to such a place and recalling that those were the times always cheers one's spirit. Thirdly, and most importantly, the presence of Honorable Justice Nagaratna ji in our midst is a matter of joy and pride to all of us.
I extend my greetings and good wishes to each one of the persons who are associated with this college so that the college races ahead from 50 years to 70 years and to the centenary and beyond. The character of our constitution is born out from the fact that within 9 months, the principle of universal adult franchise was realized for the first time in Goa during municipal and local body elections. Whereas during the colonial rule of Goa, no more than one political party, approved by the colonial power, was permitted to contest elections. Whereas the transition of power in Goa guaranteed substantive and multi-party democracy. I must say here that multi-party democracy is one of the basic features of our constitution, and it is only when the multi-party democracy is strengthened that the whole ethos and spirit of democracy would be strengthened not only under the constitution but in our country as a whole.